5 a.m. here in Makati. I've been awake since 2 a.m. because finally I was able to book my flight back to Nigeria. So I am leaving the Philippines. Yeah, I know I am supposed to be sad, but I'm actually really excited to go back home. But for today's main event, what I'm doing this morning is that I'll be checking out the Skyway, the newly completed project by the Philippines government, as a Makatizen, okay? As a Makati citizen and a Manila citizen. You know what it is like spending a lot of time being stuck in traffic and the heat and all of that here in Manila. So I was really excited when I heard that the Philippines government has completed a Skyway. So this is to help ease the traffic in Manila. Most people that live and work in Makati, they have to commute to this particular area or like to BGC and the rest. In Manila traffic, when you're stuck, except you're willing to walk home. So this is actually a really, a new project like this that means that the Philippines is moving forward. That means that the government has its people in mind. So I'll be checking out this project today. This was actually suggested by a subscriber on this channel. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I live in Manila. I didn't know, and this is because, again, I try to stay away from the news, especially with the COVID-19. There's so much bad news out there. So I just try to contain and keep my environment positive. So in the last few weeks, I've been avoiding the taxi. So when it comes to like my out of town tour, I'll usually take the jeepney and then take the train and then just go from there. This morning I actually have nowhere to go to, so I'm just going to get a taxi and it's going to take me through the Skyway. I'm going to ask the taxi man to slow down so I can take in all of the goodness of it. So I can take in all of the goodness of it and then just drive my way back. It's a beautiful day. The weather is just perfect. Have you been to the new Skyway?
Yeah.
How is it?
I think it is a no traffic and then wide road.
Wide road.
And it's overlooking.
It's over. Can we stop there?
I think we can stop only few seconds.
If I want?
Only few seconds. Okay, we cannot stay.
Okay, few seconds.
Few seconds.
You know where Nigeria is?
No.
It's in West Africa.
West Africa.
Yeah.
Nigerian is a part of Africa.
Yes, Kuya.
Okay, I thought Nigerian is different from Africa. One country.
Yeah, it's one country in Africa.
Oh yes, I got.
Yeah, you got it.
Because Africa is one continent.
Yeah, it's one continent. It's a beautiful morning. How much the government spend on this Skyway?
I don't have idea.
You don't have idea?
I think billion pesos.
Billions of pesos, yeah. But it's just so nice, not that they've done it, because it would really help with the traffic here in Manila.
Especially now, because from end to end, it's already finished. From north expressway to south expressway.
Oh wow!
I think this first day of February,
it
will operate from south going to north.
Exactly. I know what it is like. I mean, I haven't really experienced the traffic of leaving Manila. Usually I'll leave in the midnight to avoid traffic, or very early in the morning. But people that are always commuting every day, like, it's a big headache for Filipinos. Entering the Skyway, just let me know, okay?
This is already entry of Skyway.
Okay, this is the entry.
Yes.
What does this one lead to? That
Also
one?
Skyway.
Also
Yeah.
Skyway.
From South Luzon going to airport.
Look at that, the
Yeah,
shape.
it's a Skyway connection.
Okay. Wow. This is amazing. I just need to say that this is one of the fastest trips I have ever taken
Yes.
in the Philippines. It's like
Yes.
easy, smooth.
The second level way.
Yeah. Wow. At least when I'm going to the airport, when I'm leaving the Philippines,
Yes.
I'll just tell the taxi driver, Skyway please, nothing else. If it's not Skyway, I don't want it. We just exited the Skyway and we're headed back to Manila right now. Wow. No, I'm talking to my camera. Wow, that was like one of the most easiest,
Okay.
stress-free, peaceful,
Recording.
yeah, hassle-free ride that I've ever taken in the Philippines. Wow. Wow.
What is bigger, Nigeria or Philippines?
Nigeria is bigger.
Nigeria is bigger.
Yeah, and a lot more people.
What?
A lot. We have a lot of,
More population also.
yeah, yeah. Good morning. Hi. So I just got back home. Ride through the Skyway would probably be one of the fastest trips I've ever taken here in the Philippines. So this is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment, of course. See ya.